I talk in The Art of Seduction of charisma. And what I define charisma is there's a person who has a kind of inner light inside of them. They're so confident that they kind of glow with that confidence, that their words are kind of revealing it, their eyes are glowing, their gestures are glowing, and they're very charismatic. It could be a Malcolm X, it could be a Marilyn Monroe, it could be a John F. Kennedy, it could be a Mick Jagger, whomever. We sense this incredible confidence in them, this power, and it's like an inner lantern that just makes everything glow. And we are so attracted to that. That's what charisma is. Why are we attracted to it? Because we envy people who have that kind of confidence. We wish we could have that, and we find it very compelling. We want to know them. We think that some of it perhaps will rub off on us.
Most people think charisma is something you're either born with or not, like you either have it or you don't. But that's not true. Charisma is not magic. It's not some special gift that only a few lucky people get. It's actually something anyone can learn. Yes, anyone. Even if you're shy, quiet, or unsure of yourself right now, you can still become more charismatic. All it takes is understanding a few key ideas and practicing them over time. Let's talk about what makes a person truly charismatic. There are a few main things, and we'll go through each one slowly and clearly. No fancy words, just real talk. 1. Have a clear purpose. People naturally follow others who seem like they know where they're going. Think about it. If someone walks into a room with confidence, speaks clearly, and knows what they want, others notice them. That's the power of purpose. You don't need to have a huge life goal or some big dream to be charismatic. Even small goals work. What matters is that you speak and act with clarity. When people see that you have direction, even a simple one, they start to trust you. And trust is a big part of charisma. Be a little mysterious. Charismatic people don't show everything about themselves all at once. They don't spill every detail or try to explain every little thing. They let people wonder a little bit. That's called mystery. Mystery doesn't mean you lie or hide. It just means you leave some things unsaid. Maybe you smile and say, that's a story for another time, or you give short but interesting answers. When people don't know everything about you, they want to know more. They stay curious, and that curiosity pulls them closer to you. 3. Speak clearly and with feeling. You don't have to use big words to sound smart or charming. In fact, simple words are better. What matters is how you say them. Speak slowly, clearly, and with feeling. Pause sometimes. Repeat your main point. Let your words breathe. Thus, this is called eloquence, but you don't need to remember that word. Just remember this. When your words touch someone's emotions, they'll remember what you said. They'll feel connected to you. And that's what charisma is all about, making people feel something. 4. Use your body like a story. Charisma isn't just about words. It's also about how you move, how you stand, and how you look at people. If you stand straight, walk slowly, and make eye contact, people will see you as confident, even if you're nervous inside. This part is a little like acting, but not fake. Think about how actors on stage don't move too much. They stay still at the right moments. They pause. They let silence speak. You can do the same thing. A calm presence is powerful. When people see you're in control of your body and your energy, they pay attention. 5. Don't be too perfect. Here's something that might surprise you. People don't like someone who's too perfect. It makes them feel uncomfortable or small. Small. But if you show a little bit of your real self, your funny side, your awkward moments, your little mistakes, people feel relaxed around you. This is called being uninhibited. It means not being stiff or overly careful. It means being real. You laugh when something's funny. You share a small story about your day. You admit you don't have all the answers. And guess what? People love that. They feel like you're one of them. They connect with you. 6. Let people feel needed. One of the deepest ways to be charismatic is also the softest, vulnerability. When you show that you care about others, when you say thank you, when you let them help you or support you, you make them feel important. And when people feel important around you, they want to be near you. Think about someone like Marilyn Monroe. Sure, she was beautiful, but she also showed a soft human side. She wasn't always confident. She let people see that she needed love and kindness too. And that made her more lovable, not less. So, what's the point? Charisma is not just about looks or loud voices or being the smartest in the room. It's about how you make people feel. Do they feel seen, heard, respected, inspired, curious, cared for? If yes, then you're being charismatic. And the best part, you don't have to change who you are. You just have to practice a few simple things. Speak with purpose, keep a little mystery, talk with emotion, move with calm, be yourself. Show your heart sometimes. If you practice these over time, even a little bit each day, you'll start to notice a change. People will listen more, look at you more, and remember you more. You'll draw others in without even trying too hard. And that's what real charisma is. Not being perfect, just being powerfully real.